What do you want?
Grandma.
Were you sad?
Yeah.
Why?
I want Grandma to go to the yard with me.
I know. Maybe next time, okay? Okay, next time now we can go in the yard with you, okay? She's gonna go in the yard and you're gonna maybe play with bubbles. Or maybe use chalk to draw on the sidewalk. Okay? But now, oh, what is that? What is that? Maybe now it's time for dinner. Maybe now it's time for dinner, K-Sweetie-Pie?
I want Grandma.
I know, Grandma loves you so much. But she has to go home and cook dinner for Papa.
I want Grandma.
Oh no, I know. You spent all day with her. Was it fun? What did you do with Grandma today?
I want Grandma.
What did you guys do today?
I want Grandma.
Did you guys do a art project?
I want Grandma.
You do an art project?
Grandma.
Did you read books?
Grandma.
Hmm?
I played games.
You played games? What games did you play? Did you play Parcheesi?
Huh?
Did you play
Single.
StarCraft? No? What are you doing? You ready for dinner now? You hungry? Are you eating your finger? Silly.
Let's wipe your snotty nose.
No.
Okay, fine.